Hi, I'm Julie. I'm a Big Blue mom. Come on in, let me show you around. So here's the front desk. This is where you can sign up for your lessons. My kids, my twins, they are in 2 different levels, but they're always able to schedule them at the same time. It's actually really convenient. So come on over this way. Let me show you around a bit. So this is the Big Blue pool right over here. And here's the big area where you can sit and enjoy yourself and take a breather while your kids are in their lessons. This is where I get some quality Instagram time. It's really kind of fun for me. Over here, you'll see that there's tons of cubbies to store all of your stuff. And over here, this is where you do your check-in. So let's come on over here. Hi, Alexandria, how you doing?
Good, how are you?
Good. All right, so we check in with your lessons, you tell them your kid's name, and they tell you what lane you're gonna be in. See ya. So you come on air and you find your lane. Now this is where the magic happens at Big Blue. Over here, we've got the area for babies and toddlers. This is where the parent classes and tots are over here. And then on this side, we've got the big pool. This is where kids age 3 and up have their individual lessons. Now, education is so important at Big Blue. They only hire full-time teachers, which is so important because you know that your children are getting the quality swimming education and instruction that they deserve. So there are 4 components to education here at Big Blue. It's explain, demonstrate, mimic, and correct. Explain. The teacher tells the children what they're going to be doing. Demonstrate. The teacher shows them how to do it. Mimic. The kids do it too. And correct. The kids try it out and the teachers tell them how they can make it better. So those are the 4 components to education here, and I think it's just really helpful. All right, so once your lesson is over, you're going to take a quick shower over here, get them all nice and clean, and then we come on out here to get dried off. As you can see, there are plenty of towel hooks to make sure that you have a place to hang that towel to dry off your kids. It is a lot warmer inside the pool than out here to make sure that the kids are always nice and warm during their lessons. Then when it's time to dry off and change your suits, we've got plenty of changing rooms available, and all of them have baby changing tables. How awesome is that? Then when you come over here, there's blow dryers, there's mirrors, and we've got these awesome plastic bags, which I love. You could put your wet swimsuits in it and you don't have to mess up your car. It's pretty brilliant if you ask me. All right, so when you're done with your lesson, your kids are gonna come on out, they're all nice and dry and change into their clothes, and then they get a little reward for all the good job they did in their classes. Hey, there are awesome coloring pages, and they come right over here and they can color and they can play with the train tables. This is also a really great place for your younger kids to hang out if they aren't in lessons and if they're waiting for their brother or sister to finish. And then my favorite part of the entire Big Blue experience, the sucker bowl. Every kid gets their own sucker at the end of class. It's a real treat. Hey, can I have one? Yeah. Ooh, googly grape. These are also organic and vegan. So I hope you enjoyed your time at Big Blue, and I hope to see you around. Take care.